what are the different kinds of businesses that you can run online and what you have right now. So number one, you could be an affiliate, right? Affiliate to some other product, right? Or services, no matter what industry you are in. No matter whether you are into a dog training or you are into, you have a coaching business or you are into, let's say any niche you can think of. Let's say you are into nail arts or you are a painter. You want to teach how to paint, or let's say you are into selling other softwares, right? This is affiliates. They do not own a product. They just sell other people's products. Okay. So this is one of the business model that you can think of while creating an online business. Second one is your coaching business, right? Coaching. Now, in this coaching, what happens is basically you will have a service. You might be a yoga instructor, or you might be a fitness enthusiast, or you might be a personal development coach, right? So there are a lot of different ways, a lot of different coaching industries are there. So you could be a coach, right? And you want to sell your services, but you don't know how to do that. But well, don't worry, my friend. We will cover everything. How do you get more customers just by following a few simple tactics, okay? Or you might be just a newbie, just a new fresher. Just a fresh. You're doing 9-to-5 job and you want to just change. You want to change your earnings. You want to do something more. You want to get something more, right? In that case also, you can go with affiliate marketing, or you can think what are the different things that interests you. Maybe you are interested on guitar. Maybe you are interested on let's say food, how to prepare food. Maybe you are interested on how to play golf, right? Anything, or cycling, anything you can think of that you are interested on, so that you can revolve a business around that. Okay, so any of this model, if you have 1, 2, or 3, I'm going to show you today that how you actually create a profitable online business, an on-demand online business that works. Okay, that works.